How to re-download the App Store on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can re-download the App Store on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you will need to do is actually just search for your App Store. If you don't find it in your home screen or in your device completely, this is what you do. Head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, scroll down till you find the option that says screen time. Tap on screen time and then scroll till you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will then need to turn on content and privacy restrictions. After that, head over to iTunes and make sure that installing apps is allowed. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is just head back to content and privacy restrictions, where you will need to scroll down until you find an option that says App Store. After you find App Store, simply make sure that it's on allowed. And even after doing that, if you don't find it, it's right here, the App Store option. Make sure everything is allowed here. And after doing that, even you should get the App Store again. If you don't find it, you can just, head back to your settings, head over to general, scroll down all the way. There you should find an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. Reset all of your settings, and after you do that, your problem should get fixed and you should have the App Store on your iPhone again. And that's how you do it, guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.